Hello class 5. Miss Samrina is back with another video for you. And yes, in previous videos we read about the occupation of our neighborhood and did our assignment as well. Today I'm going to start our another lesson. Okay, and the lesson is about equal treatment and kind behavior. के हामी सोसाइटीमा बसिसकेपछि हैन सबैजनालाई समान गर्नुपर्छ सबैजनालाई हेल्प गर्नुपर्छ we should be kind and helpful. And yes, today I will tell you a story about two different individuals who live in a same community but different by their nature. के दुईजना छुट्टा छुट्टै व्यक्तिहरुको स्टोरी सुनाउँछु हैन एउटै सोसाइटीमा बस्ने तर उनीहरु डिफरेंट छन् बाइ देयर नेचर बाइ देयर बिहेभियर. Okay, so yes, today's lesson is about equal treatment and kind behavior. Okay, so let's start. Yes, long ago, yes, there lived a man named Dattaram in a village, a small village, and he was very rich man, and he had big farm with many cattle and buffalo. Okay, and he had a big house and farmland as well. Okay, he was very rich and proud of his wealth and was a miser. It means he loved his wealth, he loved his money, so he always tried to earn or collect more and more money, but he did not spend even for good work or good purpose. एकदमै धनी मान्छे हैन एकदमै ठुलो फार्मल्यान्ड भएको ठुलो बिल्डिङ भएको व्यक्ति एकदम धनी व्यक्ति तर राम्रो कामको लागि कहिले पनि पैसा खर्च गर्थेन उसले. And he did not send his children to school but forced to them to work household work. कहिले स्कुल नपठाउने तर घरको काममा उनीहरुलाई फोर्सफुल्ली आफ्नो बच्चाहरुलाई काममा लगाउँथ्यो. And yes, he was very rude by his behavior as well. So his villagers, his neighbors did not like Dattaram. कसैले पनि मन पराउँदैन थिए हैन राम्रो काममा कहिले पनि सहयोग नगर्ने हैन आफ्नो छिमेकीहरुलाई कहिले पनि सहयोग नगर्ने. Then he discriminated people on the basis of their caste and like or being poor and rich भनेर उसले छुट्याउँथ्यो हैन. He discriminated poor people and low caste people, so no one in his neighborhood liked him. कसैले पनि मन पराउँथेन. Okay, and Bholaram, yes, who also lived in a same village. Okay, and he was very kind by his behavior. He was not such rich as Dattaram, but he was always ready to help or willing to help needy people of his community. ना उसको कम्युनिटीमा उस जहिले पनि तयार हुन्थ्यो आफ्नो नेबर्सहरुलाई हेल्प गर्नको लागि जो एकदमै नीडी छ. Okay, and he was very kind. उ धेरै धनी नभए पनि he was not such rich as Dattaram तर उ जहिले पनि सहयोग गर्थे. And he sends his children to school and requested his neighbors to send their children to school as well. हैन उसको छिमेकीहरूलाई पनि आफ्नो छोराछोरीलाई स्कुल पठाउनु पर्छ भन्थ्यो भने आफ्नो छोराछोरीलाई पनि उसले he used to treat his both son and daughter equally and send them to school. And he was always ready to help his neighbors in trouble. And yes, he believed that people became good, or people became great by their good deeds, yes, good work, not by caste and like wealth, yes, not by wealth or caste. हैन उसले के बिलिभ गर्थ्यो भने मान्छे चाहिँ कहिले ग्रेट हुन्थ्यो, कहिले ठुलो हुन्थ्यो by their good works. हैन राम्रो काम गर्यो भने चाहिँ मान्छेहरू ठुलो बन्छ, not by caste or wealth. हैन धनले र जातले केही पनि गर्दैन भन्ने चाहिँ उसको he thought, हैन उसको विचार थियो त्यस्तो. And he was liked by all his neighbors, सबैजनाले मन पराउँथे, हैन. Then once during summer, yes, there was a huge flood and swept away Bolaram's house and farm, and all the villagers came to help him, provided food, clothes, shelter, and helped them to reconstruct his house. Bolaram त के थियो, राम्रो मान्छे थियो हैन, राम्रो व्यक्ति थियो, काइन्ड थियो, हेल्पफुल थियो, हैन सबैजनालाई सहयोग गर्थ्यो. त्यही भएर के भयो, भिलेजर्सहरु पनि, all the villagers gathered to help him when his farm and house swept by flood. हैन जब फ्लड आयो, बाढी आयो, घरहरु बगायो, उसको फार्म ल्यान्ड बगायो, हैन खेत बगायो, त्यसपछि सबै भिलेजर्सहरु आएर के गर्यो, उसलाई सहयोग गर्यो to reconstruct his house as well. Yes, and the very next year, yes, Dattaram's house caught fire. आगो लागि भयो दत्तारामको घरमा हैन अर्को वर्ष. And जो एकदम प्राउड थियो, घमण्डी थियो, हैन प्राउड अफ हिज वेल्थ, and he loved his money, हैन मिजारी थियो, उ आफ्नो पैसालाई मात्र कसरी हुन्छ धेरै पैसा कमाऊ भन्ने सोच थियो, never helped anyone. So his neighbors didn't come to help him. उसलाई सहयोग गर्न कोही पनि आएन. But Bolaram, who was kind and helpful, he requested all the neighbors to go to help Dattaram. दत्तारामलाई सहयोग गर्नुपर्छ भनेर सबैजनालाई रिक्वेस्ट गर्यो. And in the request of Bolaram, all the neighbors, they came and helped Dattaram. हैन बोलारामको रिक्वेस्टमा सबैजना गाउँलेहरू आएर दत्तारामलाई सहयोग गर्यो. Then he realized his mistake. उसले आफ्नो गल्तीलाई रियलाइज गर्यो. He apologized. उसले माफी पनि माग्यो. Yes, he was ashamed. हो किन? He never helped. तर सहयोग नगरे पनि उसले पछि रियलाइज गर्यो कि हामीले नेबरहुडमा बसिसकेपछि सबैजनालाई सहयोग गर्नुपर्छ. We should not discriminate people by their caste or by their label. Yes, or on the basis of their work. हैन कामको नाममा जाति भनेर, धनी गरिब भनेर हामीले एका दुसरालाई हेला गर्नु हुँदैन, डिस्क्रिमिनेट गर्नु हुँदैन भनेर उसले लेसन सिक्यो. He learned a lesson. That we should treat everyone equally and be kind and helpful. हैन हामी जब नेबरहुडमा बस्छौं नि, हामीले सबैलाई सहयोग गर्नुपर्छ. See, this is a story of two different individuals. जो चाहिँ एकदमै नेचरमा एकदमै डिफरेन्ट, हैन एकदमै फरक थिए. एउटा एकदमै हेल्पफुल अनि अर्को एकदमै प्राउडी, एकदम घमण्डी, कसैलाई पनि सहयोग नगर्ने, खाली पैसा कमाउने मात्र. So yes, हामीले के सिक्न सक्छौं Yes, what do we learn from this story? We learned to be kind and helpful. When we are living in a community, yes, or in a society, एउटा सोसाइटीमा बसिसकेपछि हामीले कस्तो ट्रिटमेन्ट गर्नुपर्छ, सबैजनालाई इक्वल ट्रिटमेन्ट गर्नुपर्छ, सबैजनालाई सहयोग गर्नुपर्छ. Whenever we are in trouble, yes, when we help others, our neighbors also will help us when we are in trouble. जब हामी समस्यामा पर्छौं तब हामीलाई हाम्रो छिमेकीले पनि सहयोग गर्नेछन्. So this is elation about like equal treatment and kind behavior. Okay, अब हजुरहरूले लेख्नुहोस्, what did you learn from this story? यो स्टोरी सुनिसकेपछि के सिक्नु भयो त्यसलाई लेख्ने प्रयास गर्नुहोस्. अर्को भिडियोमा I will come up with another lesson. Okay, till then stay home, keep learning.